Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your birthday on Facebook using the mobile application in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture or your name to go to your profile page. Now scroll down a little and tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Edit Your About Info. Scroll down to find the Basic Info section. Here you will see your birthday details listed. Now tap on the edit icon next to your birthday. Now here you can change your birth date, birth month and birth year. Facebook limits how often you can change your birthday, so make sure it's accurate before saving. So let me change my birth month actually. Tap on Edit in Account Center. Okay, just tap on it. And then I will change the month to May and tap Set. Once you are done, tap Save at the bottom. Tap Confirm. And your birthday info is now updated, and that's how easy it is to change your birthday on Facebook using the mobile application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.